how to connect Apple AirPods 2 with an iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or the Pro Max. And let's go ahead and get started. So if you've opened up the case lid of your AirPods and they didn't show up as a pop-up animation and your Bluetooth settings is enabled, here's what you'll need to do. So on your AirPods 2 itself, make sure they're not connected to another device, as this may cause conflict, as well as make sure they have battery life in them. Now that you've checked all that, open up the case lid like this here. You'll see a green light. And at the back of your AirPods 2 case, you'll notice this button right here. Go ahead and hold down that button and don't let it go until you see it starts to blink in a white blinking light. Let it blink for at least 5 times to ensure the pairing mode is going to stay on long. So hold it down and keep holding it until it does this here. So let it blink at least 3 to 5 times. And now keep your case lid open for the rest of this process. On your iPhone 14, 14 Pro here, Pro Max, go to settings. Then you want to go into the Bluetooth settings. And from here, go on and turn on the Bluetooth settings from here. And you'll see AirPods show up. And once you tap on it, it'll say it's connected. And you'll see that green light, meaning that you are fully connected to your AirPods, okay? Now in some cases, maybe the pop-up animation may not show here, but just give it a few seconds and you'll see for yourself that it is shown up for you, okay? As the AirPods 2 is a bit of the older model for AirPods, so it may take a while to register on a bit more of the newer models of iPhones here, okay? So you can go ahead now and just have some fun and enjoy your AirPods. And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.